So this is how you can see your Snapchat password. Go on ahead and open up Snapchat and go to your Bitmoji at the top left corner. If you actually go ahead and go to settings, we won't see any kind of information about our password. Now you could either go to the help center and then ask them to give you your password, but what you can do is go to your Gmail, like so, our Gmail app, and then tap on manage your Google account. And now you're gonna want to go to security and simply scroll down until you find password manager. So basically, every single password that you add to password manager is going to save. So from now on, make sure you add your passwords in password manager so that you don't forget anything. But maybe in the past you've added your Snapchat password to this, so you're going to want to check that out. But if you use the same password for everything, you're going to want to go to password, and here you can see the password of your current Google account. Now I can't show you that, but basically go to this password section and it's going to show you the password. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you find your password in this section, just go on ahead and use it in your Snapchat account. But that's pretty much it. Unless you have your password saved in your password manager, you can't actually get your Snapchat password. Well, you could change it if you wanted to by using your email, but you won't be able to see your past Snapchat password. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.